Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tunecraft. In today's video, we're exploring Suno's brand new feature called Hooks. This tool lets you combine your music and video into short-form content and instantly share it with the Suno community. Think TikTok, but built right into Suno and completely focused on AI-generated music. Hooks. So what exactly is a hook? Suno describes it as short-form content that combines your music with video. Other creators can give your hook a thumbs up, leave comments, share it, or even remix it into something new. To me, this is about more than just posting clips. It's about community building. Right now, AI musicians are running into issues on platforms like SoundCloud, where uploads are getting flagged or even removed. Hooks gives us a place where AI music is welcome by design, and that's a really smart move by Suno. It's also fun to explore. Instead of just browsing a static song library, you can scroll through a feed of videos, instantly see what other creators are making, and even remix their hooks. That opens the door to some cool collabs. When you open the Hooks feed, it feels familiar, just like TikTok or Shorts. You swipe up and down through videos, like what you enjoy, leave a comment, or share it with others. There's also a menu where you can save a hook for later, hide a creator you're not interested in, or report content if it's not appropriate. The big twist is that everything you hear in this feed was made on Suno. It's a space dedicated to AI music, and I think that's pretty amazing. Alright, let's actually make one together so you can see exactly how it works. The first thing I'll do is tap Create a Hook. You'll find this button right at the top of the Hooks feed. Next, Suno asks us to pick a song. I can choose from my recents, public tracks I've uploaded, or even my liked library. For this demo, I'll select a chill beat I made recently. It's simple, but it'll work perfectly for this walkthrough. Next, I'll upload a video. I'll choose a clip from my phone, a slow pan of a morning coffee vibe. Just remember, the video has to be in vertical 9:16 format, between 10 seconds and 2 minutes long, and under 200 MB. So think of quick scroll-friendly content. Here, we are presented with an editor for our hook. If you want to cut out a par from your uploaded video, you can do that using this split icon here. My video is all good for now at 20 seconds, and that's the runtime our hook will be. So now we can allocate the best 20 seconds from our song to create the hook. Where do we begin with the hook? This part is important because your opening seconds are what grab the audience. I'll set mine right at the moment the melody drops in, because that's where the vibe really hits. By clicking on this speaker icon, you can select which audio you want to keep in your hook. Only one audio source can be played at a time, and by default my video's fuzzy audio has been rightfully turned off. If everything's all good, click Next, which takes us to the posting window. If your track has lyrics, you can toggle Show Lyrics and Suno will display them on screen. You can add a caption, let's make sure comments are turned on, and then hit Post. And that's it. My hook is now live on the feed for everyone to see, like, comment on, share, or remix. It looks great for a sample, and you can see the lyrics are being displayed on the side here. So why does this matter for us as creators? 1. It solves the where do I share problem. If you post on TikTok or YouTube, you risk copyright strikes. Hooks is built specifically for AI music, so that worry disappears. 2. It makes discoverability much easier. Instead of uploading tracks to your Suno library and hoping someone stumbles across them, Hooks puts your music directly in front of an active community. And 3, it encourages remix culture. Music becomes a starting point, not just a finished product. That's a mindset shift that fits perfectly with how AI is changing music creation. Let me give you a few quick tips to make your hooks more engaging when using in social context. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Start with the most powerful part of your song. Use visuals that fit the vibe. Don't overthink it. Sometimes simple, raw clips feel more authentic. Keep captions short and conversational. A question works great to spark comments. And finally, engage with the community. Comment on other people's hooks, try remixes, and be active. The more you participate, the more visibility your own hooks get. So there you have it, a full walkthrough of Suno's new Hooks feature. Personally, I think it's a really smart move. It gives us a way to share our songs, collaborate with others, and discover music in a space that actually welcomes AI creators. I'll be experimenting with it more, and I'd love to see what you come up with. If you post a hook, drop a link in the comments so I can check it out. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Tunecraft if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments, what's the first hook you'd create? A rap with dynamic visuals, a lo-fi beat with nature clips, or something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.